Hi. So I did two projects this week. So I did QR codes and then AR, which is augmented reality. And um, so I have created a QR. I guess I could just kind of demo what I did. But I did a QR code kind of game. And then the augmented reality, I did a kind of quiz. I did want to do a game for that one, but it seemed a little more complicated, and I just kind of wanted the basics just to know, like, yeah, I get it. I can do augmented reality. I understand how it works. So for the QR codes, I did a game, like I said. So I kind of just made this up. This is like the cheat sheet or the teacher's key. So like these would be QR codes that I would have placed around the classroom in certain strategic areas, and they would all scan these. So there's different QR codes, as you can see. And then there's ciphers too, so that they can look and solve these things. So there's problem solving, there's just different things that they would be learning. And so all these are QR codes. So you can just read about it if you want. There's not much. I can just show you what I used. So I used, it's called Qrafter, and I can show you what it looks like on my phone. So I don't know if you can see this, but this app right here, it's Qrafter, and I can show you how I scan all these. These are all text message type QR codes. So what it actually says, so like for this one, or like the introduction, this would be what would be in this QR code. This is what it would say based on the audio recording. Or this one, that would be your text. So I can show you what it looks like. So I'll open the app up. So we'll just open it up. And it'll come up to this screen, and you can scan from your camera, or you can, if you already have the QR code saved to your phone, you can also scan it there. But I have them printed out, obviously, so I'm going to use the camera. So I'll just hold it up, and maybe you'll see. It's kind of hard to do this. This is all backwards, so. Oh, there it goes. This is an ad. So it'll come up to this, and this is a URL that you would have to go to because it's an audio recording. It would be through vacro.com. So, and then we could just close it. You don't have to listen to it. You can listen to it later if you want. And then the text message, I can show you what that looks like. So I'll just kind of, here. So that's another ad. There are ads on this, but they're really limited. But that's not it. So it says, need something to write with? I know what you need. Go back to the room. Oh, go to the back of the room and you'll find a cup of these. And that's exactly what I have for this. Need something to write with. So this is, again, like the cheat sheet. So, and all these QR codes link to those texts. What I really want to talk about is the other project that I did, which is the AR, augmented reality. So I did it through Metaverse. I don't know if you've heard of that, but this is the app. It's kind of hard to see, but this app right here, and it's basically just a quiz. There's nothing really special about it, but I can just show you what I did with it. You'd actually have to go onto a different page, a website, and you'd have to make the project there, and then it would download to your phone, and then you can play it on your phone. So yeah, so it'll come up to this page. You can scan codes right here if you have like QR codes that people can scan. I already have it on my phone, so I am going to click into this profile thing. You'll see I only have one project right now, so I'll click into that. It'll come up to this screen and you can click it. So then you'll have to find her. Sometimes you have to find her, but this is my person, and it says, I don't know if you can read that, it says welcome. And then there's a next button, so then you'll click next. And then she'll say, let's test your knowledge. Are you ready? I know this is really hard to read. This is also very backwards, so it's really hard to film this. I'm going to find her again. And it says, let's do this. So then you'll read the question. It says, question, what is 9 plus 4? And you'll come up with these options. It says, let's see, 18, 13, 16, and 17. So I think we all know the answer is 13, but I guess I could just click on 13 and you'll see what happens. There's a little dancing man. You can make your own characters, your own sprites, I guess, and then it'll say, yes, congrats, that is the correct answer. Are you ready for the next one? And then it'll say next. So then you get another question. Now if we get one wrong, you can make it so that if they do get an answer wrong, you can just skip it and then it'll go on to the next question. I made it so that if you got it wrong, it would just take you back to the original question. You can change the programming to it whatever way you want. So let's say it's 9. He says it's worried, worry face. So it says, it's really hard to read, I'm so sorry. It says, sorry, that is the incorrect answer. Do you want to try again? And it says try again. So I'm having issues. Okay. This does go on Wi-Fi, by the way. Like, you'd have to have it through your school's Wi-Fi or internet. And then go 12, because that's the answer. And then there's dancing hot dogs. You can, again, you can change your own characters. And then there says that. Find it again. This is a true and false question that I wanted to test to see if it worked. So it says, question, true or false, 3 plus 6 equals 9. And you'd have to type in exactly what the answer is. So it'll come up with a keyboard. So, and you'll say TRUE, which is true. Next. And then you'll have Monica, or Rachel and Phoebe congratulating you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really easy to make for teachers. It's also very easy for students if they wanted to make this, but they would have to go on the Wi-Fi or internet to use it. So those are my 2 projects. I hope you like this. I learned a lot this week about coding, programming, QR codes, AR codes, and really everything. So thank you. See ya.